For us, it is important to activate our community, and we do that. And we are aware of the importance of tourism, but we are also aware of the importance of protecting our islands. And in terms of protection, we think about our natural resources, amongst other. So our waters, our beaches, but also the land, the flora and fauna on the island. But we realize also that Aruba, being such a tourism destination, so dependent on tourism as part of the economy. As a matter of fact, according to World Travel and Tourism Council, and they conduct this survey multiple years, they've been doing this already. Aruba ranks number 2. In any case, consistently part of the top 3 in terms of destinations, being most reliant on tourism economic-wise. So tourism is important, so even more important to also make our visitors, our guests visiting our home, aware of the fact that they can also contribute, they are to contribute also to protect our island. And how do we do that? We launched last year a new campaign. And this campaign says, when you love Aruba, it loves you back. And this is a platform. So from a communication strategy perspective, before you even decide to visit Aruba, we would like you to know, and we would like the Aruba brand to communicate this purpose, the importance of protection to a potential visitor. And when you choose Aruba, you know you're choosing a destination which is well known for its beaches, the weather, hospitality, a safe island. But we want you to know more about Aruba at that stage already. And of course, if you choose to visit, the closer you are to your trip, and when you are on island, you will see and find more information to allow you to simply be aware of how to help us. And helping us is, for instance, being aware of the fact that Aruba's water is potable water, is safe to drink. You can easily, we say it's paradise on tap. So use our tap water, drink it, reuse your water bottle, but also other things. For example, in Aruba, by law, it is mandated that it is prohibited to use sunscreen with oxybenzone because that is damaging for the corals. Or for instance, by law, the Aruba law prohibits the use of single-use plastic items. These are things that perhaps if we were not to inform you, you would not be aware. But I think that people appreciate such information. So communication-wise, we do focus on communicating more with the visitor, making the visitor more aware on how they can help us protect our home, the home who can give them also so much. And on island, of course, we also invest in product development and in protection. So that's 2 sides of things that we do, 2 aspects, to basically focus more and activate more that protection that is so important for us as inhabitants of Aruba.
Some great points there, good key messages.